Good morning, everybody. This is Ron, kayaking for Fishy Tales. And if you're watching this, I appreciate it and thank you. I want to show you something I got real excited about. This is my 2022 Outback in the PA-14. And last year I had decided to put the Minn Kota power drive 55-pound trolling motor on the PA, and I did it with the Hobie mount. There's some videos on it, and some of them are going along with the installation, which is pretty good. It took me a while, and it took a little time to figure it out. But anyway, so I got this Outback last year in September. They had been out of stock for some time, and when the shipment came in, mine was in it. So I picked it up, and I enjoy it. It's got its purpose with the shallower areas that we fish. And since I had the trolling motor already, as you can see over there, and also I went ahead and got the Dakota lithium 100 amp hour battery, because I've dealt with the smaller amperages and I've used them up, and that's not good on different trolling motors. But anyway, so I kept kicking around the idea about putting the trolling motor on the Outback, and I've done some mounts on another Outback I had a couple of years back, on the back and on the side and all that. It was okay, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do a mount for the front, so I would periodically go to YouTube and look for Hobie Outback bow mount trolling motors. And there really wasn't any there until just about 4 or 5 months ago. A guy out in California did just about what I'm going to show you. So I started contacting Oneobjective. They're in Georgia, and they make mounts for just about all the kayaks, but they weren't making one for the Outback. So I sent them an email and asked them if they had any plans to make one for the Outback, and they wrote me back and said, yes, we have thought about it, and we'll probably try and get one in here in the next couple of weeks. So I wrote them back, thank you, keep me posted type deal. So I waited a little bit, and they sent me a note saying that they had it made and designed, and basically, and I said, I appreciate it. Let me know when you get a video done, because they were talking about doing a video, which they do on all this stuff. And they did, and I saw the video, and I do a lot of, like I may have already said, I do a lot of DIY stuff for my kayaks. I enjoy doing it, and I order a marine board and I do it. But anyway, I'm going to show you the mount that they designed, and I was really happy with it. They've done a good job on some of the others, real good job, and from what I've seen with YouTube. So let me get the camera situated, and I'll show you the mount now. Okay. Okay, here's the mount, and what they did here, as they've done on many kayaks, is use the handle areas, and of course with Hobie they've got that handle that's on a string line paracord, and so that's where it's mounted here. They routed out a slot here so you can move this in or out a little ways, and they recommended, well, they said they liked it pushed all the way in, give it a little bit more support. The only negative is that you've got to drill 2 holes back here after you get this set where you want it. They also sent 2 nice support pieces out of the same material, and they routed the edges all the way around. It's nice and where it'll fit nice in there. So that's what you do. You just mount it where you're going to have it, do your holes, bolt in the support, and you're ready to go. the holes are, you can't quite see them here, but the holes are there for the puck for the trolling motors, and I took it off so you could see exactly the mount that you would get in the mail. And they sent all the hardware like they do on all this stuff. So if you're thinking about doing it, this is a really clean way. I think it was like $135 plus shipping, and it's got a really nice handle up here. Tell you the truth, if I wasn't going to put a patrol motor on it, I would have done this just for the handle. So anyway, that's my my big thing I'm real happy about, and I wanted to share because there wasn't anything out there that could tell you too much about what to do about a bow mount. Of course, I could have figured something out, but in my PA's up there on my Harkin lift system, it goes between the Outback and the PA. I just lighten it a degree. That lifter will hold 200 pounds. That's 50 pounds per Harkin block. So that works out real nice. So I intend to do a lot more fishing. I'm here in Texas. I got most everything settled. We've had some really bad winds, and gonna try and get out and do. A lot more fishing is my goal, and to make more videos. I enjoy doing that, and I've got several on YouTube already. I think like 30 or 40 or something like that. But it's just been sporadically. So anyway, if you liked it, I would appreciate it. Push the like button, and we'll get on with doing more fishing this year.